Train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space exploration. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now, but don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another, even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet. Training. You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft. The X-2 space shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on. Now, you've already been organized into teams, and soon each of you will be assigned a position. Navigator, pilot, commander, or engineer. The success of your mission will depend on all of you working together as a team. I'll be your Capcom, and in a few minutes I'll give you your specific assignments. But first, our flight director has some safety instructions for you. Lieutenant?
Remember the team number you're standing on. When the doors in front of you open, you will be directed to a flight station with that number on it. When you get there, please stand on the circles. During your Orange Team More Intense training mission, you will be enclosed inside X-2 flight simulators that produce deep space flying conditions such as turbulence and G-forces. Those who are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning should bypass this experience.
As you can see, astronaut flight training isn't like anything you've ever experienced before. It is intense, and if you would like to opt out, just ask any member of the ISTC crew for directions. As for the rest of you, report for your pre-flight briefing. It's go time.
You are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning. You may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions to the Green Team Less Intense Training Area.
Have fun, everyone. Have fun.
Engage second stage rocket, now. Computer override engaged. Leaving Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000. You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon. Navigator, fire rockets for lunar orbit insertion, now. Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, activate hypersleep, now. Computer override. Hypersleep duration 3 months. Monitoring Walt. Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem. Beginning evasive maneuvers. This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing
ready. Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200
Watch
feet.
the barrier.
15 feet.
Pull back. Hang on. Down and clear.
Alert. Location, canyon edge.
Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay, heads back,
I
releasing.
wish you a safe journey around the planet.
Mission control, this is the firing line. Give us the go for launch. Surgeon, network, you are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission control to X2. You are go and throttle up. Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Now. Commander, initiate flight sequence. Now.
Initiated.
Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust pitch. Now.
Computer override. Initiated.
Engineer, activate flight camera. Now.
Initiated.
Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands. In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X2, just launched from the Pacific. Up ahead, you should see Japan, the land of the rising sun. As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean. You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light. Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon.
We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad.
Okay, listen up, team. Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now.
Computer override. Initiated.
Navigator, initiate descent. Now.
Computer override. Rocket fired.
Extend wings for gliding. Now.
Wings extended.
We've lost autopilot.
Commander, activate manual control. Now.
Computer override activated.
All right. Now left. Right. Left. Back to center. Hold it steady.
They're coming in too hot.
Pull back. Down and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome to the astronaut corps.